guys, I'm Katie.
I'm Tana.
And we're here to show you a little DIY box that we put together for fall. Super fun.
Super
Be
fun.
a good date night or a girls' night to do with your girlfriends or your daughters.
You want to show them the box that it comes in?
Yes. So we put it in a cute little box like this. And we took everything out to show you, but all the little drams will be in here. And then everything's all nice and cozy in this box.
So basically what the box is that we decided that we were going to take some fall scents and make them into some fun DIYs. So we have 4 things that we're going to make for you today. So the first thing is our pumpkin spice foaming hand soap. Love it. So I guess a lot of people don't realize is that if you're not using chemicals, the way to get a soap to foam is with this pump. Like this is what makes it foam. So what we're gonna do is pumpkin spice foaming hand soap. There's 5 drops of orange, 5 drops of thieves in this little dram, okay? And we have it labeled PS for pumpkin spice. So it comes with this little plastic dropper. Sometimes it's a little difficult, so I'm just gonna pop it off. Let's see. So
and you can kind of use the top to do it, but if you have, you know, some nails or claws on you, you can pop it off as well.
Okay, so go ahead.
She just dumped that whole thing in there, and that's exactly what you're gonna do. Make sure you get as much as you can out, and then save those little drams, and you can use them later.
Yeah. And then it comes with Castile soap. This is just basic Castile, unscented Castile soap that you can get at the grocery store. So it came with this, and all you do is just pour this in there, and this is what's gonna add a lot of that foamy soap for you. And then you just take distilled water and top it off. Put your top back on there, give it a little shake, and then you've got your foaming hand soap, pumpkin spice. It smells so good.
Ooh, it does.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
So you're getting all the great smells that you want from Bath & Body Works without the chemical
definitely.
nastiness.
Yes, super safe for your hands, really good at cleaning, and it's really, really soft and creamy whenever you wash your hands with it.
Yes, and it's something you can remake over and over and over because you have the recipe on this card that we give you.
Yeah.
Okay, next thing we're gonna make is a cozy fall room spray. So this would be good for the bathroom or to spray on your linens, to have in your car if you want to have that nice fall smell in your car. It's got a cute little label on it, so it's nice sitting out. So we have a dram that is filled with, will you read that off?
Yeah, so it's 6 drops of orange, 5 drops of thief, and then 1 tablespoon of vanilla. So the vanilla right here, you can get cold pressed vanilla off like Amazon or your local health and food store. And that's really like the good vanilla that you want to be using whenever you're spraying it into the air.
Yes, and actually, did you know, Tana, that Young Living just came out with their own vanilla?
That's right.
It's part of their holiday launch, so I haven't snagged any yet, but they're gonna start releasing all of that again in November. So if you want to snag your like real good vanilla,
it's made from Madagascar too.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
I'm super excited for that. But if you're not wanting to do that, I do recommend buying like the clear cold pressed vanilla. And then so you're just gonna dump in that vanilla that we gave you and the dram that's labeled CF. And then you're going to just fill the rest with distilled water and give it a light shake or swirl.
I wish we could spray the whole thing.
I know. But you can smell it. With the vanilla in it, it's a little bit stronger, but it kind of like, ooh, it smells.
I like the name Cozy Fall because it has a really good fall scent with that vanilla in there, but it's not overbearing or too spicy. It is cozy.
Yes.
Yeah, for sure. Love that. And that room spray is really good like in the bathroom next to the sink or like a guest bathroom or something like that too.
And you could keep it in there. It doesn't really have to be just fall. It really smells good all around, so you can keep it in there
definitely
as long as you wanted to.
So the next one we're gonna make is the Calm and Cozy Roller. This one's my favorite, okay? And I'm really surprised because I don't like Stress Away.
You don't like Stress Away?
I don't like Stress Away. So I don't know what it is, and I've just never been a huge fan. But this one,
there's 5 drops in here. There's 5 drops of Stress Away and 5 drops of lavender. So the lavender probably kind of tones down the stress away a little bit.
It does, yeah.
So
definitely.
She's just gonna dump this in.
Okay, so here's our little dram. I'm gonna go ahead and dump that in there.
Get every drop in there.
Yep.
And then you would fill the rest with whatever
Coconut
carrier
oil.
oil you desire. So I like to use fractionated coconut oil.
Yep.
This is not the coconut oil that like you cook with. It's fractionated, and you can buy it at your local grocery store.
Oh,
I
yeah.
buy mine at HEB
Me
or
too.
Target or wherever. And or you can use. There's all kinds of different ones. Grapeseed. There's jojoba oil.
Almond oil.
Almond oil. You can use like a fatty avocado oil if you have that in your pantry. All okay to use.
Right. So then you put the oils in there, and then you just fill the rest up with your carrier oil. You pop that roller ball on there,
Yeah, it
and
looks
then
like this. And it comes in the little bag with your drams.
give it a little shake. And then I'm just going to use it
Yeah.
Pretty Bunch Bare right now because it still smells good. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, it
It's
smells really good.
Very comforting. It's super,
It'd be
super
really
fun.
good to keep by your bedside because it has that
Ooh,
lavender
yeah.
and stress away, so it'd probably help you like sleep better. Or if you're going on like a long car ride or a plane ride,
Ooh,
if
yeah.
you're traveling right now, that would really help
Yeah,
like ease your anxiety.
definitely. So if you're not a fan of Stress Away like me, mixing it with the lavender is
Try it.
amazing. Yes.
Okay, so this next one's a little different. It's not particularly a fall smell, but we put it in there because it's more for this season. Because it's a Be Well roller. So this is more of like an immunity roller to help you like get away all that. Right now at this season, we all kind of have that crud.
Yeah.
Like we just, at some point, you're gonna get it.
Tickle in your throat, itch in your ear, things like
drainage,
that.
Stuff like that. So will you tell them what's in this one?
Yeah,
Susan?
so this is called our Be Well roller. There's 5 drops thieves, 5 drops lemon, 5 drops of Melrose, and 3 drops of oregano. And oregano is that oil that you never would have expected that you're going to be using a lot because you just are always cooking with it. But these oils put together are great for your immune system, just to help really give your immune system that protection that it might need, and just was really good for your body. So after you dip it in there, put the drams in there, then you add in whatever carrier oil you want.
And you're gonna roll it. The best place to roll like an immunity roller where you're gonna get really those big porous pores, bottoms of your feet,
Yeah.
your big toe, along the back of your spine. I like to put mine like kind of by my lymph nodes.
Oh, yeah.
Like if I have that drainage to push it down. And it is a stronger smell. So remember, like if you really don't like the smell, put it on the bottom of your feet and you don't have to smell it.
Yeah, that's a definite thing. I know a lot of mommies that do that with
Yes.
oils. Like if their kids are like, oh, I don't like that smell, they'll put it on the bottom of their
Which-
feet and they put socks on.
I'm not a huge like I don't really particularly love oregano. I usually take it internally, but it doesn't smell.
It's not too much.
No, because the thieves and lemon really are a powerful smell, so that it kind of
Yeah.
like takes over,
Definitely.
and it smells.
And that's something that I would just pop like in your purse, and that whenever you're getting ready to go out for the day, you just swipe it on the back of your neck, on the bottoms of your feet, and then
Yes.
keep it in your purse if you want to do it throughout the day. And also too, I do that morning and night during like this season. But if I feel like I'm coming down with something and I just feel cruddy, I'm gonna be doing it
Yes,
more
and Tana's
times.
a teacher, so
Yeah.
this is something great she can keep in her pocket.
Yes.
And just do it every hour, and she can just pull it out while she's teaching. She doesn't have to stop and do anything, and it's a great on the go thing.
Definitely. So then the last thing we have is a diffuser balm. So tell them why we call them diffuser balms.
Okay, so the best thing about diffuser bombs is it's already made. That's the whole point, is you're not getting out 5 different bottles.
Yes.
Which doesn't take that long, but if you're in a hurry and you just want to get something done, you can take a few drops of this. And in this diffuser balm, it's orange, cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, and bergamot. And so it's a really good fall blend. And this one we specifically made to copy the Falling Leaves candle from Bath & Body Works, and it really does smell almost
Yes,
identical.
it does. It smells so good.
And it smells phenomenal. It smells really, really
I
good.
love it because I'm a huge bergamot fan. I
Yes.
love bergamot, and so I really can smell it. And mixed with the cinnamon and nutmeg and clove, it smells really, really
It's
good.
almost like a bakery kind of smell.
Ooh,
like it
yeah,
smells
yeah.
really good like that.
Definitely.
And this is one that would be like husband approved. It's not too like
Yeah.
it's not florally. It's a good solid fall.
It's a
blend.
home smell.
Yeah, so I would say this would probably get you 3 diffusers worth. So that's like I mean, how long does our diffuser run?
At least 4 hours.
So that's, you know, 12 hours of diffusing that you get from this tiny dram. And
that's a lot.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah.
So you can do pretty much your whole day from waking up to going to sleep with just this bottle.
Right. So with that, this is our fall DIY box, but something really, really fun. We're also going to be doing a winter DIY box.
Yes.
Super excited about that. So if you didn't get to partake in this one, definitely contact us about doing the winter winter DIY box, because that's gonna be really fun.
Yes.
Yeah. So thanks for joining us, guys.
Bye.
See you later.